I step out of the long hall of reverberating echoes, are they mine or the walls, clashing and in harmony, hard to tell in that cacophony? I close the latch behind me and step in to the sun air, to an acoustic that turns my ear toward a sound faint as a mountain stream, never stop trickling. I know those notes that flow unquestioning. I define her? How do I define her? Give the hand the line to run with, free and wild. I was always coloring outside. Go check the box if you want to or not. I only know how to follow the melody of it. I find it phrase by phrase. I'll see you if I see you tides for months and many years now. When that megaphone's loud, I need to go down. I want to feel the soil between my fingers, reach out into the dark and take root. How do you define her? How do I define her? Give her the line to run with, free and wild. I was always coloring outside. Go check the box if you want to or not. I only know how to follow the melody of it. I find it phrase by phrase. I'll see you if I see you there. I find it phrase by phrase. I'll see you if I see you